was the 26th of May 2021. Simply, it was the Vasak full moon per day. However, I am not going to relate a religious story. Strong winds and heavy rains were lashing all over the country. We had thunder showers too. Meanwhile, a dog that we hadn't seen before was running here and there in our garden with a lot of panic. It was kind of asking for help. Amidst the noise of heavy showers, we could hear a puppy crying in the nearby woods, and we were able to finally locate it, hidden under the bushes, so wet. We rescued it in the rain. It was a meritorious mission, I would say, which filled my heart with pleasure. Since then, we called the mother dog Toby and the puppy Cindy. In fact, we had never had dogs at home before, and we hadn't thought of any as well, based on several reasons. However, this mom and the son were helpless and innocent. We had to care, and we loved to care. Over time, for us, Cindy was the most playful puppy, and Toby was the most caring dog mother in the world. They were playing everywhere and even danced on our roof. We prepared clean and tasty meals separately for them, with chicken and fish in them, and medications and vaccines were given on time. Eating all that food, Cindy grew up quite fast, and we could observe its each and every stage of life very closely. Now, they were family members. Still, they live with us, and although their mischief drives us angry at times, the next moment they make us live and delighted. And finally, I realized, just as Roger Caras once said, pets may not be our whole life, but they make our lives whole. It's a world filled with love and care. Thank you.